What if everything you thought you knew about the universe was wrong? Not wrong in a small way, but fundamentally incomplete. We've been taught that our reality exists in 4 dimensions, 3 of space and 1 of time. But what if that's just the tip of the iceberg? What if the universe is a living, breathing entity with a consciousness we are only just beginning to grasp? On this channel, we explore a revolutionary idea, an 11-dimensional model of the universe. This isn't just another abstract theory. It's a complete framework that unites physics, ancient wisdom, and the very fabric of our existence. And it begins with a cosmic breath, a fundamental duality that governs everything. At the heart of this model lies a trinity of primordial dimensions. The 10th dimension is a force of expansion, growth, and determinism. The cosmic Yang. It is the outward breath of the universe, a continuous push towards creation and order. Opposing it is the 11th dimension, a force of contraction, quantum uncertainty, and free will, the cosmic Yin. It is the inward pull, the mysterious power that brings things together and shapes reality. These 2 primary forces don't exist in opposition. They dance in a perpetual cycle. They are born from the 0 dimension, a timeless, spaceless well of pure potential, or what many might call the Tao. This dance isn't just theoretical. It manifests as a cosmic cycle of a big bang and a crunch. The universe expands under the dominant influence of the 10th dimension and then contracts as the 11th dimension gains power. This cyclical process repeats eternally, turning our linear view of time on its head. The universe is not a one-and-done event. It's an endless living rhythm. But what about our everyday reality? How do the 3 spatial dimensions and the intricate dance of celestial bodies we see in the cosmos fit into this grand scheme? Upon each new Big Bang, or as we prefer to call it, an emergence, the other dimensions unfold. These are the dimensions that build the reality we experience. The first dimension gives us length, the second dimension adds width, and the third dimension gives us depth, volume, and mass. The fourth dimension introduces time, not as a straight line, but as the rotation of an object. The 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th dimensions then add increasing levels of complexity, from the tilt of planetary orbits to the movement of our entire solar system within the galaxy. This isn't random. It's a beautifully ordered, geometrical unfolding. It suggests a universe where every part is interconnected. And honestly, the subtle movements of the smallest particle are linked to the grand cosmic breath of the entire universe. So, why should you care about 11 dimensions? Because, well, this model provides a framework to solve the biggest problem in modern physics, the conflict between quantum mechanics and general relativity. It proposes that gravity is not a separate force, but actually a manifestation of the 11th dimension's contractive nature. It bridges the gap between science and philosophy, giving a new scientific context to ancient wisdom. If you're fascinated by Taoism and the balance of yin and yang, intrigued by the sacred geometry of the universe, or captivated by the deepest mysteries of physics and the cosmos, then honestly, this channel is for you. We are building a new way of seeing, a new way of understanding our place in a living, breathing, 11-dimensional reality. Subscribe now and join us as we explore each of these 11 dimensions, one video at a time. The answers to the universe's greatest questions are waiting.